Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to time out someone on the Discord server. Maybe you need to temporarily restrict someone's access due to a violation of server rules or to manage disruptive behavior. So today I'm going to show you how to time out someone on a Discord server. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel, select the server where the member you want to time out is located. For example, I will choose this server. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the panel. A menu will pop up below, and here, tap on this gear icon to open the server settings. In this settings page, scroll up and under User Management section, tap on Members. Here, you will see all the members of the server. Now, select the member that you want to time out. For example, I want to time out this member. Simply tap on it. Here, you will now see this timeout option. Simply tap on it to initiate the timeout process. In this window, choose the specific duration for the timeout. For example, I will choose 1 day. After that, below you can type in this box the reason on why you want to time out this member. For example, I will enter, he is toxic. Once you are done entering your reason, tap on this timeout button below. After that, you now have successfully placed a timeout on this user in your Discord server. Once the timeout period is over, their access will be automatically restored. There you go. If you wanted to know how to time out someone on a Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to time out someone on a Discord server, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.